Okay guys, tonight we are cooking a roast, a little different, no crock pot this time. Use salt and Meat Magic. I love this Meat Magic. It's not really hot, it just has a really good flavor. Then we're going to add some onion powder. These roasts are so hard to handle. Now we're just rubbing our spices in, and then we're going to cover the whole thing with flour on all sides. And then if you'll see over there, we have a stick of butter melting in our pan, and we're just going to brown all sides in that pan. And that is a pan that'll go in the oven. It's one of my croat pans, or Sonny's croat pans, and it will go in the oven. So we're just going to brown it in that, and then we'll transfer it to the oven. We're browning all the meaty sides first. There it is, all browned up. Now we're adding beef stock, approximately a cup of beef stock that we're just going to pour around it. And to the beef stock, we're going to add some flour, not measurements, just some flour around it, and whisk it in good. And that'll kind of form a gravy as the roast cooks. And we've got, I don't know if you can tell, but that's the fat side that's up on the roast, because we want that fat, the juices from that, to kind of render into our meat as it cooks. Okay, now we're going to cover it with tin foil. I'm going to put 2 pieces because it is croat and it has some openings, and we don't want any of our steam to get out. Then we're going to put it in the oven at 300, guys, for 4 hours. There's 300, and we'll cook it for 4 hours. There, 4 hours. Okay, now it's out of the oven. Took our tinfoil off. Look how pretty. We're going to transfer it to our dish. And see, we cooked it with the fat side up, so we're going to cut it the bottom side up now where it was in the juice. Then we're just going to slice it all around 3/4 of an inch thick, all the way down. It was nice and tender, guys, but still juicy. I don't know if you can hear my guineas, or stunning them guineas out there in the yard. But here I am just slicing it down. And how I'm kind of leaving it open in between the slices, you'll see. They said it was really, really good. And now we're just going to dip our gravy over it. And that gravy has some of that onion powder, some of the Meat Magic, and the salt, and the fat, and the butter too, that all cooked down in there with the beef broth. Bone broth, actually. Beef, I think it's beef stock. Beef stock is what I used. But there you are, guys. I mean, it turned out so yummy. Let me know if you cook roast this way. I hope you liked it.